Ryan, what was the mindset of the team going into that third period? I mean, there have been a lot of mistakes in the second period, and how do you think the effort level changed in that third period?
No, I mean, I think, the first two periods are unexcusable. I think we knew that. The momentum was dead. We needed something. Jared got a big goal, and once we got that feeling of we're back in this, I think a lot of guys felt a lot better about the situation, and thought we put in a hell of an effort in the third period. And unfortunately, it ended the way it did, but it's a testament to our character.
With the first few minutes of the game, the effort was there. How much did that overturned goal kind of change things and maybe start that downward spiral?
Yeah, I think there's always ebbs and flows, but I feel like lately a lot of the chances that we've got or the reviews have gone the other way for us, and sometimes that can be deflating. But I think we got to learn from our past lessons that you can't get too high or too low on those decisions. You can't control those, and you got to be big the next shifts.
What does that lead to a feeling of maybe being snake bit, and where we saw that lack of effort or execution there for a period and a half?
Yeah, I mean, I think you just got to pray for the right opportunities and capitalize when you get them. I mean, I think every guy's ready when they get their number called, and it's just a matter of capitalizing when you get your number called. And it's tough sometimes when it doesn't go your way, but there's no excuse for it. It's the NHL. You got to make plays.
You talk about getting your number called. You have not been in the lineup the last couple of games. For you, how did you stay ready, and how gratifying was that goal?
Yeah, no, like I said, I pray for my right opportunity, right? Sometimes there's things out of your control, and you can't worry about those things. For me, I always rely on my faith, but I know that when I get my number called, I want to give max effort and give what I have, and I think everybody will do the same.
Thanks.
Thank you.